for Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's prepare a vegetable stew in minutes. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen.
Let's make this beautiful vegetable stew together. This recipe serves 3 guests. Onto a pressure cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When oil is hot, add 1 piece of bay leaf, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 pieces of cardamom, 4 pieces of cloves, and saute for 30 seconds. 1 tablespoon of finely shredded ginger and 3 pieces of slit chilies and few curry leaves and half sliced onions and saute for a minute. Onions are getting soft now. Add 1 cup of diced potatoes, 1 cup of diced carrots, half cup of diced beans. Any vegetable you have at home, you can use it. Give a quick stir. 3/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, everything on a pressure cooker. Cover it and put the whistle and just make 1 whistle only. Make sure there is only just 1 whistle. Remove from the heat and let the pressure goes naturally. Now we will add 1 cup of second coconut milk, 1/4 cup of boiled green peas. Give a quick stir. Check the salt if needed. Add little bit salt more and bring it to simmer. Simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes and add half cup of thick coconut milk and half teaspoon of cracked black pepper and turn off the heat immediately. After adding the first coconut milk, make sure don't boil it again. The beautiful stew is ready now. Enjoy with bread or appams.
I hope you enjoy this beautiful recipe of vegetable stew. Please try this recipe and share your experience in the comment box. And show your love by sharing the video to friends and family and subscribing my channel Josh Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Oh, what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.